welcome back to Easy Nails. Today I'm going to create these really cute short summer glitter acrylic nail set. So if you are interested, then just keep on watching. Today I am going to be using my non-dominant hand. So I wanted to show you guys how I use my non-dominant hand to do my own acrylic nails. I am using my Koopa odorless monomer. To that I add about 60% monomer and then the rest acetone, and I always adjust. If I see that my acrylic is setting too quickly, I will go in with more of the odorless monomer, and if it's setting too slowly, I will go in and add more acetone. Here you see it was setting a little bit too slow, so I will go in and add more monomer and just play around with the ratio until you get to something that works for you. Obviously in the summertime I do use more monomer than odorless. I do use more odorless monomer than acetone, if that makes sense. Sorry, I'm all over the place here. But yeah, so first thing that I'm doing, obviously my nails are prepped. For that, I just use a really soft buffing block or a 180 file and just really lightly buff over your nails. You do not want to file off any layers of your nail. You just want to remove the natural shine. Push back your cuticles. Then you want to clean your nails with a mixture of 50% acetone, 50% rubbing alcohol to take off any dirt and excess oils. And then you're going to want to go in with your primer of choice. And then you are ready for your application, your acrylic application. These are going to be really short, fun summer nails. I hope you guys like them. So after I prep my nails, I did apply. These are extra long square nail tips I got off of AliExpress, but any tips you guys want to use, go right ahead. I use KDS nail glue to glue them on to my nails, and you want to make sure that when you're gluing them onto your nails that there are no air bubbles in between the nail tip and your natural nail. And I'm going in nice and slowly here and applying a clear layer. I always do this so that, first of all, I think it creates better adhesion, and secondly, if you're using any colored acrylics, it prevents your nail beds from getting stained. So I switched brushes here. This is a number 12 Sculpt It Like It's Hot brush from Profiles Backstage, 100% Kolinsky brush. Highly recommend. I really like their brushes. And then this is going to be a really fun glittery pink summer girly nail set. So this is a glitter mix that I got from, I forgot, Secret Nail Affair. Yep, Secret Nail Affair, and it is called Fantasy. And it is a pre-mixed acrylic, but I do think that there's way too much glitter to acrylic powder here. It is kind of difficult to work with. So what I like to do is after I pick up the powder, I just spread out the glitters, and then I go in and get a little bit of clear on my brush and work with it that way. That helps if you find that your acrylic glitter mixes are a little bit too much chunky glitter. You guys can see I'm doing that here. So I just go in, I pick up the acrylic mix, and then I move around those glitters how I like, and then I just pick up a little bit of clear to move them around onto my nail. This other mix that I just picked up is literally every glitter I own mixed together. I made this mix, and I just think it's really pretty. It's an iridescent glitter mix. I absolutely love it. Has some pink in there, perfect for summer. And then I also made this it's like a magenta iridescent pink glitter mix that I'm going to be using as well on the nails. So I'm just showing you guys how I work with these chunky glitters. Just pick up a bead and kind of use your brush to move it around how you would like to place certain glitters on certain parts of the nail, and just have fun with it. I think it's super easy to work with acrylic and glitter. I think it's super beginner friendly and a really fun way to get into doing nails using acrylic glitter mixes, because there's really no wrong way to do them. Your acrylic application does. So I'm continuing on here. I'm picking up this custom mix, and you guys, to make a custom glitter acrylic mix, you can really use any glitter that you would like. Some of the glitters that have pigments in them, like from Michaels and stuff, people say that it can run when you use it with acrylic, or it doesn't play well with acrylic. I've never had a problem with it, but just try. Get yourself some clear acrylic. If you're looking for a more affordable one, Mia Secret, and I hear Savvyland Clear is excellent from Amazon. And then just mix it in with a glitter of choice. I like to do about a 60% acrylic, the rest glitter mix, and then you can always add in more, give or take. And it's a really, really fun and affordable way to make your own acrylics at home. I highly, highly recommend it. It's super fun, and you can create really, really unique glitter mixes and color mixes that way. So I highly recommend you guys test that out. Here you guys can see what I mean about the chunky glitters. There's really no right or wrong way to do this, and it's super easy for beginners. Even me, I'm nowhere near perfect, and I always find that this is a way to get really, really cute nails, and they always look perfect. First of all, glitter makes everything better. We all know that, but your application doesn't have to be perfect when you do this, because you're going to encapsulate everything with clear anyway. So these are really, really cute. I'm loving this length. Let me know what you guys think. Thank you for all your comments on my previous video. I have been struggling here a little bit. I don't usually like to get into personal stuff, but there's been some stuff going on, some personal stuff, so it has been a bit hectic over here. That's why I haven't been posting as regularly, but I'm trying to get back on schedule. So I do appreciate all of you and all your sweet, sweet, kind comments that you guys leave me. You guys are truly so kind, and I consider each and every one of you my friend. So thank you for that. And yeah, getting back on to this nail set, I'm just encapsulating everything in clear. You want to make sure that you give yourself a really, really nice capping of clear when you are working with glitter acrylics, because if you don't do this when you come to file your nails, you will file off all of the glitter. The clear is like basically casing that you are keeping everything in, so it's nice and protected. So yeah, super important. And I always put on more versus less, because I always have a tendency of not using enough clear acrylic when I'm encapsulating my nails, and then I file off some of the glitter, and then I have to go on and reapply the glitter acrylic to the nail after finish filing, which is really a pain in the neck and frustrating. So make sure that you are applying a nice layer of clear on your nails, a little bit more than what you think you should, just to make sure that when you're finished filing those nails, you do not file through to the glitter acrylic. You can always file them down if they're looking bulky. That's why I love glitter designs, because they're super easy to do, they're super fun, and you really can't mess these up. This length, again, is super, super fun for summer. I hope you guys enjoyed this nail set, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Bye!